2023 has been a fantastic year for crypto recovery so far. In fact, one of the best years in history. Now, a lot of people are wondering if the bottom is in, if the market is really going through a full correction at this time, and there may be some stats that are showing just this. Now, what I'm talking about is actually there's nearly $370 billion in BTC that has actually gone dormant. Now, what this means is this is dubbed old supply. It's BTC that has not moved in the last 6 months. This currently stands at about 14.99 million BTC, which again is worth roughly $370 billion. Now, what is interesting about this is actually almost an all-time high. The all-time high is actually 15.029 million BTC. Now, why is this happening? Well, the blockchain firm Arkham Intelligence actually told Decrypt this is because Bitcoin investors are again focusing on long-term gains. The Bitcoin community has clearly become more long-term oriented, focusing primarily on holding. And we're really beginning to see this shift take place. You know, the market typically goes through these cycles every 4 years. 3 years of green, 1 year of red. And this is played out to a T. 2022 was the year of red, and a lot of these big holders know this to be the case. Now is the time where the market will start to correct and holders really shift their behavioral patterns. They go from this time of short-term gains to really holding long-term and seeing these gains through for years and years to come. Now, BTC has had a great run up throughout 2023 so far, but now it's having a little struggles. It's having a hard time finding its foothold here to really break through this 25K level. Now, we're not seeing any really big pullbacks at this time. It's still hovering in that 23.5 to 25K range. And it really looks poised to try to make a move upwards. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. But one thing to note here is the sentiment that does surround the market. In fact, this has been one of the most positive months in history for this part of the cycle. Okay, we have not seen this level of the fear greed index for crypto be at these levels since late October of 2021. Now, again, we may not be through the worst of it. There may be still more bad times to come, but times are changing. Sentiment is changing, and things are looking very positive for the future to come. So we appreciate you as always here on the ClearCryptos channel. Definitely show your support below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. Stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. We hope you guys have a great day, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.